Car here. Today in Power BI, we're going to be working on some drill down column charts. Drill down column charts are possible by going into the Get More Visuals. Once you go into Get More Visuals, you want to type in drill dash down. And then you have two options here. The one we want to focus on is not really the time telesense, but we want to look at the drill down column chart. So we're going to select this one here and we're going to add it. And once we add it, we just update it if you have the latest update, and it's going to appear here. So it's going to be this drill down combo by Zoom Charts. And once you add it to your report view, you'll see here that you can get tutorials to support and pricing and stuff like that if you want to buy the pro version. But we're just going to focus on the sample version here. First thing I want to add in is the regions. And here you'll get this incorrect data because you need values. So we're going to look at the sales values. So when you look at this from a high level, all you see is the sum of sales for the different regions. So let me just rename this to just sales. So sales by the region. So when you click on this, nothing happens initially. So the great thing about a drill down column chart is we can add more categories, and this will start giving us the ability to look deeper into that data. So with that, I'm going to add in product category, and like I always do, I get rid of food and spices since it really isn't good breakdown. But now when I click into a region, and let's just pick on the West region, now we can see a drill down column chart. So now we see, well, in the West region, this is what it looks like. And if I go back here to the South region, then the South region give me some more granular data. And in addition to product category, let's just say, well, let's look at the state. So let's go from the region to the state. So let's just go South region. And if we look at the South region, we see that Texas is the most heavily, it's making the most sales. And if we go to the West region, we see that California is making the most sales. Now, if we wanted to dive into one of those states, then we can click on this state, and it'll show us what items are selling in that state in our drill chart. So let's just drill all the way back to the top, and then let's go into format. So with these drill charts, with these drill down column charts in Power BI from the marketplace, we don't really have a lot of things that we can do from a formatting standpoint, but we can change the way we display the units. We can change it from auto to none. We can do decimals, and we can do percent decimals. But if you wanted to get the full version, just purchase the full version through the Power BI marketplace. And now you should know how to use a drill down column chart in Power BI.